Huawei Repair East Kilbride. We repair all common Huawei faults or problems. Huawei screen replacement. All Huawei models are welcome. We can do your Huawei screen repair or Huawei screen replacement in East Kilbride while you wait. Contact us now 01355 222438. Huawei Repair East Kilbride. All Huawei models welcome. Huawei screen repair. We fix all Huawei models. Call EK Repairs today on 01355 222438. ekrepairs.co.uk